This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing the obvious screws to access internals. Use a T8 driver for the 4 rear screws and remove the 2 screws in the battery bay. Once done, slip a plastic spudger into the top seam and gently separate the shell. This prevents clipping small internal tabs from snapping. Make sure to ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap or touch a grounded metal surface. This protects the controller's PCB and triggers from electrostatic damage as you continue. Once the shell is lifted, identify the flat ribbon cable and its locking latch. Unlock it before pulling the ribbon to avoid tearing. Next, unplug the battery and lift out the battery tray so you can access the trigger assemblies and stick modules. Remove trigger springs carefully so they don't fly out. Use a Phillips #00 for internal screws. Remove the micro USB daughter board and PCB standoffs, and keep each screw sorted by location to ensure correct reassembly. Now remove the thumbstick modules by releasing retaining clips and, if necessary, unsoldering their joints. Do this only if you're replacing components. Once apart, inspect contact pads, clean with isopropyl alcohol, and replace paddles or springs showing wear so tactile feel returns. Before snapping everything closed, reconnect the battery and perform a basic button and stick test to verify function. If buttons are unresponsive, check ribbon orientation and solder joints.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.